Hi, good morning to all. Today, the class is for BA or BSc third semester psychology. In the last session, already we have started Unit 1 Introduction and Foundation to Lifespan Development. This is session 2 Characteristics of Lifespan Development. The learning objectives of this session are the students can understand the basic concept of lifespan development and the student can aware about the characteristics of lifespan development. Mainly, where the characteristics can be defined. The lifespan perspectives argues the significant modifications takes place throughout the lifespan. In our lifespan, many modifications may change. It consists of human in the different ways, like development may be lifelong, development may be multidirectional, multidimensional, plastic, and contextual factors, and the development also includes growth, maintenance, and regulation. So, the changes that occur, some of the changes may occur in terms of requirements of culture and contents of occurrence. Throughout our life, the individual may learn or can be compensate or can be overcome our difficulties also. So here, according to the Baltas, the old age, in our old age, we can learn some new things and we can compensate some problems and we can overcome also. These are some characteristics of old age. So these characteristics may form a familiar uh, way of beliefs, familiar way of beliefs. So in clearly we can some of the characteristics are we can discuss the characteristics of lifespan development. So there are 8 main characteristics of lifespan development. So we can go through it. First one is lifespan development is lifelong and development is multidimensional and development. Third one is development is multidirectional. Fourth one is development is plastic and fifth one is development is science is multidisciplinary. Development is contextual and seventh one is development involves growth, maintenance and regulation of losses. Lastly, development is a co-construction of biology, culture and the individual. So about all these 8 development stages, one by one, we clearly explain and briefly go through that. First one, development is lifelong. As we know that from conception to death, we are going to develop and we are going to change according to our environment. So, development is lifelong. Human grow and develop through the various stages of life. Each period of lifespan is influenced by what happened before and what will affect what in our life and what is to come. So, in this, each period has its own characteristics and its own values. According to researchers, the development is lifelong. Not it is not in a certain period, as it in childhood or adulthood or maybe older. Anyone can change. Maybe it is also old age. We can be changed as we use some classes or training like that. Second one is development is multi-dimensional. Development affects every aspects of human being as those aspects even affect each other, such as our mind, our bodies, emotions and even relationships are always changing and affecting each other as they change. These are the main things in our life. Also, changes occurs biologically, cognitively, and even emotionally. For example, our attention, memory, and intelligence. These are few. Some of them are cognitive. Development changes occurs biologically, cognitively, and even emotionally. So these are all related to our mentality and emotions. Next, we go to development is multi-directional. Throughout the life, some dimensions or components of dimension expand and some may shrink. For example, as we grow from our birth to uh, our death, some of our knowledge may grow. In some stages, it may shrink also. It is depend upon our IQ or our individuals. For example, as we mature, both the size and our verbal skills may increase. But at some point, the rate of increase of verbal skills may start to slow down while their size continue to grow. This is one example. This is one main example. At some point, growth in size will stop also. Next, development is plastic. What is mean by plasticity? Plasticity is nothing but it means the capacity to change. No one human being is destined from birth to have a certain personality type. No one human being. Uh, for example, has every individual has every some individual characteristics. Some persons have higher IQ level, some may have lower, some may have medium. Like that also some may have over height, some may have down height. Like this certain variations of height also will be there. So there is no perfect designed personality, there is no. Next one, growth and development allows for a change. For example, as we can improve our intellectual skills also. For example, at the age of 60s and 70s, we can develop our knowledge also. It depend upon our training and our changes in developmental strategies. This is one main example that in old age also we can change our personality skills also. Next, we go to development science is multidisciplinary. So, in this multidisciplinary, some of the psychologists and sociologists, anthropologists, neuroscientists, and medical researchers all have shared and unlocked the mystery of development to the lifespan. They have all shared their aspects according to their experiences. For example, how do our heredity and health limit our intelligence? It depends upon our heredity and our health also. Some of they have said this. And do intelligence and relationships change with age in same around the world? It means that according to our relationships and according to our intelligence also, the age may affect. Next one, development is contextual. All development occurs within a context or setting. Context meaning setting. Context includes families, maybe schools, church, peer groups, cities, neighbors, countries, and so on. Depend upon the environment we are growing, in which environment, in which culture, and we are sharing our life with which type of neighbors around us, in cities and our friends, like this. Each of these settings influences is our history, our economics, and social and culture factors. So, cultural factors. Yeah, individuals are changing being. As we know that human beings are generally changing, are the changing one in this changing world. As a result of this changing context, there are three main type of influences. First one is normative age graded influences, and normative history graded influences, and non-normative life events. These are three influences. Next, we go to development is also includes growth, maintenance, and regulation of losses. As individual age into a middle and a late adulthood, the maintenance and regulation of losses in their capacities takes center stage away from growth. In clearly we can understand about this. Middle and late adulthood is from 30 to 60 years. No? So here the center stage is our growth. This may make down our maintenance and regulation losses in our capacities. For example, a 75-year-old man might aim not to improve his memory, but to maintain his independence and his ability to play at all, like that. In this stage, we cannot improve our knowledge, but we can maintain our independence. This is the main concept of this growth in maintenance and regulation of losses. So the last and final, development is a co-construction of biology, culture, and the individual. Culture and the individual. Development is co-construction of biology, culture, and the individual factors. These are all working together, as we understand in this definition only. For example, the brain sharpens, but it also sharpened by culture and experiences that individual have. For example, as from birth to our day by day life, we will increase our knowledge power. We have the capacity to know the new things. Day by day, we can learn some new things. No, so we can sharpen our minds, but also sharpened by culture, sharpen our minds. As a result, the heredity, environment, and individuals. It is a combination of heredity, environment, and individual. Lastly, these are all depend upon our experiences. So all these developments are clearly, briefly, all we have understood. So thank you. In the next going session about this unit, we will go to third session in later session. Bye.